In today's rapidly changing job market, the key to earning more money often lies in acquiring valuable skills that are in high demand. Whether you're looking to boost your income, switch careers, or simply enhance your employability, investing in your skill set is a wise decision. This video will explore 7 valuable skills that can help you earn more money and advance in your career. So let's get started with the first of 7 valuable skills that will help you earn money. And that is problem solving. Life is a puzzle, and those who can swiftly and creatively put the pieces together hold a distinct advantage. Problem solving isn't about avoiding challenges. It's about facing them head-on with an arsenal of analytical and innovative tools. Imagine you're working for a company and a critical project hits a roadblock. Your problem-solving skills kick into high gear. You assess the situation, brainstorm solutions, weigh pros and cons, and devise a plan that not only overcomes the hurdle, but also enhances the project's overall efficiency. Your adept problem-solving not only saves the day, but also catches the eye of higher-ups, who recognize your value. In the entrepreneurial world, problem-solving is equally important. Imagine you're a business owner facing a sudden supply chain disruption. Your ability to quickly identify alternatives, negotiate with suppliers, and find a seamless workaround not only maintains your operations but also solidifies your reputation for reliability. Clients and partners are more likely to stick with someone who can navigate through turbulence. Remember, every problem is an opportunity in disguise. Those who embrace problem-solving as a skill not only overcome obstacles, but also stand out as invaluable assets in any scenario. And that, my friend, is a surefire way to earn more money while making a lasting impact. Now let's dive into a skill that's not just about making money, but also about creating a life of fulfillment and balance. That is, emotional intelligence. This skill revolves around understanding and managing emotions, both your own and those of others around you. It's like having a finely tuned compass for navigating the complexities of human interactions. Imagine you are in a high-stakes negotiation. Your EQ kicks in, allowing you to sense the other party's concerns and tailor your approach accordingly. By empathetically addressing their needs, you build trust and relationship, increasing the likelihood of sealing the deal. In a leadership role, EQ helps you connect with your team, fostering a positive work environment that enhances productivity and loyalty. But how does EQ contribute to your earning potential? Well, studies have shown that individuals with high emotional intelligence tend to be more adaptable, resilient, and effective communicators. These traits are incredibly valuable in today's fast-paced and interconnected world. Whether you're an entrepreneur, manager, or team member, your ability to handle stress, build relationships, and navigate conflicts with finesse can lead to promotions, better business outcomes, and ultimately a fatter paycheck. So, as you improve this skill, remember that emotional intelligence isn't just about reading the room. It's about understanding the hearts within it and using that understanding to forge success that goes beyond financial gains. Alright, let's move to the next skill that will help you make more money, that is coding and programming. This skill is often associated with tech wizards. It's actually a skill that's within your grasp, and here's why it's a golden ticket to boosting your income. In today's digital age, where technology is seamlessly woven into every aspect of our lives, knowing how to code is like possessing a universal language. It's the language of computers and software, and by learning it, you're essentially opening doors to a world of opportunities. Imagine creating your own website from scratch, designing mobile apps that solve real-world problems, or even diving into the exciting realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning. The beauty of coding is that it empowers you to transform your ideas into tangible digital products. And with the ever-growing demand for tech-savvy individuals, the job market is ripe for those who can turn their coding skills into lucrative careers. Coding isn't just about becoming a software developer, though. It's about problem-solving, creativity, and critical thinking. Companies across industries are on the lookout for individuals who can automate processes, optimize workflows, and find innovative solutions using technology. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, or even fashion, coding can give you a competitive edge. And let's not forget the remote work revolution. Coding is a skill that can often be practiced from the comfort of your home, giving you the flexibility to work on projects for clients or companies around the world. So, in a nutshell, coding and programming is more than just writing lines of code. It's about becoming a digital creator, problem solver, and a sought-after asset in today's tech-driven world. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand your skill set, learning to code can undoubtedly pave the way to earning more money and creating a rewarding career path. Now that we've ventured into the digital realm, let's move to the next skill that will help you make more money, and that is graphic design. Imagine being the mastermind behind eye-catching logos, stunning websites, and visuals that tell a story without words. It's like wielding a digital paintbrush to create art that speaks to the masses. Graphic design isn't just about making things look pretty. It's a skill that translates directly into earnings. Picture this: businesses are in constant need of captivating visuals to stand out in a crowded market, whether it's a startup looking for a logo that encapsulates their brand or a multinational corporation revamping its website. Graphic designers step in as the unsung heroes. And here's the money-making twist: the better you are at creating designs that resonate with the audience, the more you can command for your work. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating value. You're not just designing, you're crafting solutions that drive engagement and conversions. So, every time your design prompts someone to click buy or subscribe, you're not just earning money, you're proving the power of your craft. And remember, graphic designers possess the magical ability to turn a client's scribbles into jaw-dropping visuals. It's like being the fairy godparent of the design world, transforming pumpkin sketches into digital carriages fit for a royal website. Now let's dive deep into the skill that's often underestimated, but holds the key to unlocking countless doors. Communication skills. Let's see how this skill will help you earn money. Every successful interaction, every business deal, every influential speech, they all revolve around effective communication. But how does mastering this skill translate into more money in your pocket? Communication is the backbone of collaboration. Whether you're negotiating a raise, pitching an idea, or selling a product, your ability to clearly convey your thoughts and ideas can be the game changer. Picture this: you're in a high-stakes meeting, and you convert your points with confidence, leaving no room for confusion. Your message hits its mark, and your colleagues are on board. That's the power of communication. But let's journey into history for a captivating story that truly exemplifies the art of communication. In the early 20th century, a charismatic leader named Winston Churchill stood on the brink of World War II. His words rallied a nation facing unprecedented challenges. In 1940, during the Battle of Britain, Churchill delivered his famous speech, "Their finest hour," with unwavering conviction. He communicated a message of resilience and determination to the British people. His words not only bolstered their spirits but also united them in a fight against adversity. Churchill's story underscores the impact of communication in the face of adversity. It shows that the right words delivered with passion and authenticity can inspire people to overcome obstacles and achieve remarkable feats. And in the modern world, those who can wield the power of communication are often the ones who negotiate the best deals, influence the most decisions, and ultimately earn a substantial income. So, the next time you're honing your communication skills, remember that you're not just polishing your ability to talk, you're sharpening your tool for success in every aspect of life. From negotiating a higher salary to winning over clients, effective communication is the golden thread that weaves success and financial growth. Speaking of connections, let's dive into the world of organizing projects and making things happen. The next money-making skill we are uncovering is project management. Imagine handling a complex process with several moving elements that must all work together to achieve a single goal. This skill is more than simply a feather in your cap. It's a crown that can increase your earning potential. Imagine having a roadmap that not only leads to financial stability but propels you toward your income goals. This skill isn't just about budgeting. It's about understanding the intricacies of money. Financial management involves savvy decisions about where to invest, how to allocate resources, and when to seize opportunities. By learning how to analyze market trends and make informed investment choices, you're essentially making your money work for you. It's like having a team of financial experts at your disposal. Beyond investing, financial management equips you with the ability to identify potential risks and create contingency plans. This level of preparedness safeguards your hard-earned money and ensures that your financial goals remain unshaken even in uncertain times. Now let's talk about the real magic: multiplying your earnings. When you grasp the concepts of compound interest, diversified portfolios, and strategic planning, you're not just managing your money, you're growing it exponentially. Imagine your savings not only preserving their value, but ballooning over time, opening doors to new ventures and experiences. So, how does financial management help you earn more money? By empowering you with the skills to make wise investment decisions, protect your assets, and tap into opportunities that align with your financial goals. It's about embracing the art of money, turning it into a tool for creating wealth and ensuring a prosperous future. Remember, the more you know about managing your finances, the more your money can work for you, leading to a life of financial abundance. Now moving to the next skill that will help you make more money and holds the key to unlocking productivity and efficiency in your life, that is time management. Imagine being able to achieve in a few hours what used to take you all day. That's the magic of effective time management. When it comes to earning more money, time is quite literally money. Think about it. The more efficiently you can complete tasks, the more you can accomplish in a shorter period. This opens up opportunities for you to take on additional projects, clients, or tasks that directly contribute to your income. Not to mention, with better time management, you reduce the likelihood of costly mistakes that can eat into your earnings. Moreover, mastering time management also boosts your reputation. Consistently meeting deadlines and exceeding expectations showcases your reliability and professionalism. making clients more likely to choose you over competitors. And let's not forget the mental space you free up: less stress, more focus, and enhanced creativity, all of which contribute to higher quality work that commands a premium. In the grand game of earning, time management is your ultimate power-up, giving you the edge you need to not only meet your financial goals but surpass them. So grab that calendar, prioritize your tasks, and watch as the minutes you save turn into dollars earned. Alright, moving on to customer service, where human interactions shape businesses and reputations. Earning more money is a goal shared by many, and acquiring valuable skills is a proven pathway to achieving this objective. The 15 skills discussed in this article span a wide range of industries and offer numerous opportunities for career advancement and financial growth. By investing in your education and developing these valuable skills, you can position yourself for a more prosperous and rewarding future. Start your journey today and watch your income potential soar.